Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. This is Christy Budgets. I'm a Filipina cash stopper and a low income earner. So if you are new here, thank you so much for being here and welcome to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support in this channel. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. I'm beyond grateful to all of you. So, yeah, I've missed you guys. It's been a while. I was not able to post a video last time kasi medyo I'm taking a little bit of break from all the things that are happening in my life right now. Alam niyo na. So, yeah, for now we are back. And ngayon is mag-hashtag lang muna tayo ng ating savings challenges. Yung DICE challenge ni Miss Lisa over at Lisa Grateful Me. So, okay, let me just go ahead and take this one. Dito siya. Tatapusin ko na lang. So we have this little piggy, school, rainy day. Yeah, $1. $1 savings challenge is done. And then one, two, three. And then just another challenge. Okay, and before I forget, ito yung tirang na series na crop bills from my last video. So, wait lang muna. Maghahanap ako ng bagong challenge ni Ad. Kasi meron tayo this little piggy, school, rainy day. And then, money affirmation. Meron ako challenge. Okay, so we will use this one. My sunflower series challenge. And then, wala akong birthday challenge. Okay. So, let's try this one. This is from Raw Budgets nga pala. Freebie niya ito. Ayan. So, maya na ako magkuha ng envelopes for this. Ayan. So, I have here. This should be 100. So, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100. And then itong huli is 1, 2, 3. 103, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 16, 18, 20, 2 plus 3, 25, 25, and then ito medyo na 30. So we have 130 pesos total. So we will be using this dice, and I believe I'll be able to complete this little piggy and money affirmation savings challenge. All right, so let's start. Okay, I have a six-sided dice here. So let's talk. We have one. I will use this one first. One, six. By the way, we have this little biggie from Sincerely Roxy School from Row Budgets Rainy Day Challenge. This one is mine. And also the money affirmation savings and the sunflower savings challenge. And then Row Budgets birthday savings challenge. Right, so 6. Okay, let's draw another one. Another one. 6, 3, 5, 4, 6, 4. Yan. I'm trying to do this fast. Do this faster. Four again. That is money affirmations. Four again. This is one. Little piggy. Okay, five. Get the lucky number five. Now we have three for the first 10. Six. This is Real Budget's birthday savings. And then another five for my sunflower. Four is affirmation. Six again, birthday. Okay, that is one. One little piggy. And then three, four. This one is rainy day. We have three again. One. Oh, schools. Bawi ka school. Five. The last one is now. Okay, let's go. Um, Continue. Choose. Again, choose one. We're done rolling, and then let's see if we can complete the challenge. Sadly, I wasn't able to download uh Donna's ding ding ding. I forgot to download that. I should have downloaded that. Okay, let me just get the tracker for this one. It's right here. Move that aside so we have a better wider space. Okay. So I only need, this is one, two, four, three, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 21 plus two, 23. I only need 23 pesos for this little piggy. So let's see. I have, I am over two, six, seven, 21, 22, 23. Okay, one, two, three. I am over one. One. Ayan. So now we can complete this challenge. Just put my coloring materials. So, diba? Alright, so it this little piggy by Sincerely Roxy is finally complete. So let's see how much we have. We have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 100, 5, 10, 15, 22, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 127. I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this challenge is completed. Yay! And then I can go on and proceed this one. This is going to my graduation fund. I'll be stuffing all of this in my graduation fund later. Right, so that's that. And then let's proceed to, okay, school has the lowest number for today. So school only got two. Just add to the one here. I still can proceed that one. Can we'll just put this aside. Okay, so we'll skip to rainy day. Okay. So rainy day we have 22. 22. Yeah. So we can color each icon is 5. So we can color four four raindrops. It's parang ano. So I should have one, two, three. So I can't color. I know what, I changed my mind. Let me just add the one here from so I can complete this. I can color three or four. One, two, three, four. Yeah. So uh, should be 35, I guess. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 35. Okay, let's see. We have 10, 20, 5, 30, 2, 4, 5. And now I'm over. 6, 7, 37. So we can color another one if we are reached 40. I only need 3 of that. 37. Yes, I only need 3 pesos. Okay, let's move on dito sa aking money affirmation. I only need 4 letters. And so 4 letters. So I'm over. So I only need 20. I'm over 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's remove 2. So I only need another marker. G, M, B. Yeah, so for now, we have finally completed this affirmation challenge. We still have a lot of money affirmation na gagawin kasi yeah, ang gusto ko din talaga siyang gawin. Okay, we should have, now we have, let's see. Okay, we have money affirmations. I am a money magnet. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 5, 70, 2, 4, 5, 75. I'm right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 75. We are able to save 75 pesos on this challenge. So, ayan. Tama ko na sila. This is the piggy and money affirmations. Okay, and then zero budgets ko. Wala siyang na ano. Ano to? Asan to? Oh, wait lang. No, no. I have added new challenges. So, sunflower savings challenge. Let's get it. Okay, so sunflower savings challenge. Each petal is, ayan, yung ginawa ko dyan, each petal is cost something and then seed is another. This seed is right here. Each petal is 5, 5, and then each seed is nothing, 10. Ayan, so let's see how much we're adding. We have 25 cents, 25, 27. What the same shades of orange, orange, pwede rin yata red, yellow. Oh, I need to sharpen my red one. Hi, orange. Look at that. Sun is orange. Ayan. It's so I have 5. Ayan, ang ganda niya. 10, 10, 15, 27 right here. 15, 15, 20, 5. Ayan. So I'll choose color 5 petals. So that is 25. And then we'll be adding 3 more 3 pesos para makashade tayo ng another petal or another challenge. Just move that. Now we will continue to my birthday. So birthday, it is from row budgets and each icon is. I'm just gonna add 5 pesos for each part that I color. So 5 pesos to 5 pesos each balloon as well as candles and then 5 pesos then each cake. Okay, so five each. Okay, so 5. So we have 20, 10, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20. Okay, so we can color 5 things. Okay, so we'll start with this candle. So this is 5, 10, 15, and this one, 20, then 25 for starters. Ayan, so I will be adding, how much is this? 3 to make this 30. So that is a challenge. Then for road budgets, only got 2 chicken. Okay, just get it. What is this? 2, 2, 8, 10. So that is 10. Then we can color another icon. We can cross 2 icon actually. By this time, so 1. We can color, yeah, we can cross the tractor and then the pencil. Let's see. Should have 2, 1, 2, 30. So 15. I have 10, 15, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 5, oh, 2. Am I right? No, 25. I have 10. Just like that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 25, 2, 3, 4. 29. We have 29. 29. So one, I owe this $1. Am I right? 2, 4, 6, no, 6, 8, 10. No, I owe this $1. I owe you $1. Okay, just let us just cheat a little. I still have 1 peso profils here, so make it 30. Yeah, this is 30. So, ah, right, so that is that. Yeah, school is done. And then just bring this up. Okay. So for this day, we are able to complete 2 challenge. I have 130 plus in this challenge, and then this one is 75 pesos. Right. Okay, so I will just keep this, put this away. Yan. Oh, let me just revisit my savings fund. My savings finder. Oh, savings finder, which is here. First one, pretty binder from Man Soberano. I also kept my school. This my IOU. By the way, if you're interested on this IOU, I will be posting this as a freebie for the month of May. Ayan. Different designs. That one. So just put this one. Different designs. That one. And just love the pop of colors. Mga IOU. Ito pareho lang siya. If you're interested, I can actually on this. Yeah, what you think of this IOU? Yeah. Okay, so we just get one that we've finished. Okay, so we have one guy and 35 doctor. Okay, I have here this is for my graduation, so I have 1,000 pesos here in my graduation, and this is my tracker. Okay, so I know that I have 100 here. I didn't put much. What did I say? Okay. So 132. So I have 130 here, and this one is I have 75. So this alone show is okay. This alone is 100 plus, and then so I can just do this here. So this is 100. So I'll just be pulling out 32. I'll be pulling out 32. 1, 2, 3, 32, and then I'll pull out 32 and 5, a 5 to make it 100. You know, this is 100 already. This we can cross. We can color another cup, and that we just get another 100 crop bills. We have 100 crop bills here, so put that, and this will be put aside. So that is this 100. And then should I have what should I have here? We have 60. This is 60 from $1 saving challenge by Little Helpful Files. Let us and then I have here, which is this 50. So this is 100. I can color another cup. So this challenge, Cup and Gown by Raw Budgets is complete. Just put exchanges 250 for 100. Actually, guys, yung ngayon ang dami na naming bayarin. Na-stress na ako sa dami naming babayaran. Kasi, so this is 1,200. Daming babayaran, student congress. Stress. Stress. And then, so, kinuha ko na yung ano. Ito ang naiwan. Dami naming babayaran, student congress. Ang dami ko nang na-add na utang sa akin. Nautangan kasi no, medyo struggle kami ngayon. Ay, hindi ko siya alam kung paano ko siya sabihin. But, yeah, yun lang talaga ang life. Medyo nag-struggle kami ngayon. Hindi kami makabayad on time sa aming mga bills. And then, yung nakakainis pa is kailangan mo yan ng pera, tapos wala kang savings, wala kang mahirap mag-borrow ngayon, di ba? Hindi, mahirap ngayon. Humiram ng pera. I'm happy. Grateful pa rin ako kasi nakakahiram pa rin ako ng mga pera from my family and friends. Though nakakahiya talaga siya, but kailangan natin, wala tayong magawa. Kailangan natin for survival mode. And then after this chaos na muna, siguro mag-focus kami on paying our debt. Yan lang muna. Kasi as in, since nung nag-final demo ako, most of the money doon na ginamit ko is inutang ko. And then, ayun, may bayarin pa sa bahay. Hindi kami magkanda rin. Tuto ko ano yung uunahin babayarin. Kasi may dalawang, yung last time may 3 buwan kaming overdue ng tubig. Muntik na kaming naputulan. And then yung last nakaraan din, naputulan kami ng kuryente. So sad. So, nasettle na namin yun. At yung problem namin is ang rent namin ngayon. Mag 3 months na naman kaming delayed. Alam mo yun, yung pero grateful pa rin naman ako kasi kahit paano nakakakain pa rin naman kami. Yun lang talaga yung bills namin na hindi namin ma-provide agad kung kailan siya kailangan. And ngayon may mga unexpected expenses pa, hindi ko inasahan, ayan. By this Friday, meron kaming meron din kami student congress na aatenan and 3,000 yung budget namin. Hindi naman ako sa nagrereklamo doon sa dami namin gastusin. It's just that I feel so sad na hindi ako prepared. Hindi prepared. Sadly. Kasi walang maayos na work din ang husband ko. And then, kung may racket din naman siya, yes, may racket siya. And then, pero sakto lang talaga siya for our daily expenses. Alam mo yun, yung isang kahig, isang tuka. Pero I know our God is our great provider, miracle maker. He is our strong tower. I'm sorry, I'm having some reflux. And then, yan, so he is our great provider, miracle worker, right? I believe in him, pero yeah. Minsan talaga hindi ko maintindihan bakit nagkakaganito ang buhay namin, pero I know na maiintindihan ko rin siya in time. Right? So, sorry. So, medyo nagpapalabas lang ako ng sakit ng loob. Sama ng loob ba yun? Actually, I just had a breakdown kanina ang umaga. Lang, tumulo lang yung luha ko. Dami naming bayarin eh. So, I have 150, 20, 30, 40, 50. That is 200. So 200, 10, 20, 30, 45, 7, 47, 247. Okay. Just add, hindi ko siya IOU. Okay. And no, I will not do that IOU. Hindi na ko, ayoko nang lapis. So this is 247. So this is my fund for my graduation cap and gown. Actually, tomorrow, meron kaming fitting ng graduation toga, cap, gown namin. Kaya, I will, thankfully, this is ready for that. Meron akong budget doon. Ang pero no problema ko, I think hiramin ko muna ito. Iwiwithdraw ko siya as savings ko para may magamit ako sa aming student congress. May magamit ako for our student congress this Friday. And then, pag babayaran ko rin ito, and then, yung babayaran ko to, tapos, yun na ang gagamitin ko for cap and gown. So yeah, that's a good plan. You see, ito dapat is para sa cap and gown ko, which is, well, actually, ang cap and gown is 1,800 pesos lang naman. So this one will go to my budget for my student congress, and then itong 1,000 yung hihiramin ko for student congress din, and then babayaran ko na siya next week. I hope that makes sense. Parang naintindihan ko naman siya. So yeah, majulit mo na yun, girl. Okay, yan. So, Shisan, i-withdraw ko to tomorrow or by Thursday. So, yan. So, yun lang, guys, so far. So, thank you so much for watching. And I'm sorry about the babbling. I'm sorry kung medyo ang dami kong sinasabi. Tahimik, please. So, yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you all for being here, for listening to my rant, even though I'm kind of all over the place. And then, pasensya nyo na ako medyo may code switching tayong nagaganap at all times. It's just me because I'm not a native language, English language speaker. I am not an English native language speaker. So, manjud. Okay. So, so I am not a native speaker of English, kaya ayan. And then, minsan nakakalimutan ko rin talaga yung dapat na mag-English ako or nalilito ako kung dapat akong mag-English or mag-Filipino or dialect na, magamit ng dialect namin. Right, so that's it, guys. That's the wrapped up of this video. Salamat sa lahat ng mga nakikinig and nanonood and sumusuporta sa aking channel. I really appreciate you. And of course, guys, if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet kasi I am having, actually, magkakaroon ako ng subscriber giveaway, 500 subscriber giveaway. Though, please don't expect any cash. It will be PDF savings challenges. Okay? So, wala mo na tayo dun sa cash. Ang hirap here. Ang hirap, girl. Okay, so I will be having my 500 subscribers giveaway once we reach 500 subscribers. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I don't know. I still have to design a challenge for that. So yeah. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!